Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Here, as you can see, I'm unboxing a shoe cabinet that I ordered from Amazon. The link of this product is available in the description box. I'm very honestly going to put forth my review about this and also whether I would recommend this to you or not. Packaging of the product was excellent, because of which I guess the product came well intact without any damage or scratch during the transit. The product is from a brand called Decor, and after placing the order on the app, I received a confirmation call within 2 days for further details on the product. They also informed me about the assembly option, which I personally did not need. There are some additional charges for the assembly service, which is worth paying if you have never really assembled a furniture on your own or don't have enough time for it. Coming to the quality of the product, it is made up of MDF and has a nice finish. I paid around 4,000 for this and it feels worthy. The back support could have been better, but I don't mind. Overall, it feels quite durable as a shoe cabinet. It definitely gets a thumbs up from my end. You may try your hands on this if you're looking for a simple yet elegant shoe cabinet within some budget. Also, it's been a while since my living room got a touch up, and it's Christmas, so it's a little extra special. This week was fully dedicated to decor and changes. After accomplishing all the mama duties, I was determined to find some extra time for the things I love doing. They don't just make me happy but also become my driving force in actively playing the mama role. I did not do a lot, but some tiny changes in the most productive way does all the decor magic for me. I'm going to share some insight on the same. Do let me know if you've already been doing these. After the deep cleaning of the whole house, my very next step was to wash the curtains. The yellow curtains are here since the very first day we moved into this house. Also, we pulled out all the Christmas decor stuff from the storage and started decorating. Usually, Christmas tree is the last thing I do, but this time Rhythm demanded for the tree to be decorated first. I'm glad I considered her wish. The tree alone added a lot of life to the living room and made the whole process so lively. I invested on a new wreath that I wanted for my main entrance. I had plans of making a few wreaths on my own, but due to other commitments, the plan has been shifted and allotted for the next year. Happens quite often with me and most of us, isn't it? Now, since I wanted a little change in the living room while putting up the curtains, I switched them. The ones you see here are my bedroom curtains and the yellow ones have been shifted to the bedroom. I loved the yellow curtains here, but I feel the change has done some magic. The vibe of the room has transformed for better and I love this too. For the wall decor, I haven't done too much. I've kept the old mirror frames in their place and simply added my old wreath to give it a Christmas vibe. Now it's time for the main entrance. I've kept it simple. Hung a magenta star in the simplest way possible and 2 wreaths of different sizes right below the nameplate. That's all, and the simplicity feels magical to me. Can you relate? To keep the magic going, constant cleaning is a must. So here's a pro tip for you. Constant dusting of surfaces and a habit of frequently decluttering always helps in maintaining a positive and cozy environment in the house. Doesn't matter how well you decorate your home with expensive stuff. I personally feel if a home is clutter-free, dust-free and organized, it automatically radiates positivity for everyone and anyone living in it. I also changed the curtain for this tiny utility space attaching our living room with the bedroom and washrooms. I'm not sure how pleasing it is aesthetically, but I love the changed vibe. Now to add some colors, I'm going to change the bed linen. The black and white curtains at the backdrop demand some colors to add a happy mood to the living room. I love putting up a new bed cover and admiring how this tiny change does so much for the aesthetics of a room. Most of you might already be aware, but I learned this method of folding the corners of a bed cover while scrolling through the shorts and reels. Do you also enjoy learning such small skills? For many, it might sound trivial, but for me, it's a therapy. I love upgrading my homemaking skills in the simplest way possible. Gives me immense joy. Would love to know if you relate to this. Finally, here's what the living room looks like after the very small changes I have made. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel before you leave. I'll be back with a brand new video next week. Until then, keep smiling and take a very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.